forcing etim ekoridi eye mid-year budget yechemu afeni chemu na busunya budget ayesese wode koto dwana Ghana fo nyina ene parliament fo nyina we biare hu seda bi ehihye sei na aban de ato akwam na busunya abeto dwane.
The Speaker, these are the following big push projects as approved by the Ministry of Finance.
Na anejise me wom no abusunya when it comes to a road sabrede obi biara ni age obi biara wo omayi mu no most na ani age fi se wo hwemu akwanya na apratete no sabre mid-year budget no edi ni bi atime pipi mu a Ghana for bebe na ebo age His Excellency na afi ato forcing na Minister of Road chese omo hihye ya omo de gu akwam now ye bobo ato forcing ni speech a okoda na di or parliament wo mid-year budget na mum anejise me wo ho ne se Bediako to Adabokrom road na apratete sabre amino ka sei cars ni bi ekofa akrodie ni asumura no sabre de abanche mu a obetim aye no afi 2025
will be upgrading the Bediako Junction-Camp 15 to Sefi Adabokrom road.
It energisem na when you look at anye honkwa sabre upgrading of Ajofua to Adabokrom road so enso etimi bam na afi Enchi to Elubo enso ewum and Dadieso to Akontombra and also ewum. It's very good. Now yambo at forcing sabra no can ne budget award routes sabri mid-year budget no timi pipi mu no ye ba ya kire adwo comment section ase.
The Speaker, these are the following big push projects as approved by the Ministry of Finance. The Speaker, number 1, the construction of a new bridge on the Oti River at Dambai. Number 2, rehabilitation of Wahan Road. 3, upgrading of Tumu Hamile Road. 4, upgrading of Tumu Han Laura Road. 5, reconstruction of Navrongo Tumu Road. 6, rehabilitation of Techiman Nkonsia Wenchi Road. 7, rehabilitation of Wenchi Sola Road. 7, 8, Mr. Speaker, construction of Sunyane Outer Ring Road. Mr. Speaker, the construction of Kumasi Outer Ring Road, Eastern Quadrant. Mr. Speaker, the rehabilitation of Bintri Napanduri Road. Mr. Speaker, the rehabilitation of Dodo Pepeso Nkwanta Road. Rehabilitation of Atimpoku Esukuma Junction Road. Rehabilitation of Esukuma Junction to Enyinawase Road. Right Honorable Speaker, Enyinawase to Ho Titrenu Road. Mr. Speaker, we'll be upgrading the Akosombo Jakiti Kudikope Road. Mr. Speaker, we'll be upgrading Esukuma to Enumboso to Parliament Road. The Speaker, Adome Bridge to Akomufre Road. We'll be upgrading Ho to Petoi Road. The Speaker, rehabilitation of Petoi to Afiadanyamepa Road. Mr. Speaker, we'll be rehabilitating Penny to Aflao Road. We will be dualizing Winneba to Mankesim Road. We'll be dualizing Cape Coast to Takrade Road. We'll be rehabilitating Mankesim Ejumako to Aguna Swedro Road. Mr. Speaker, we will be rehabilitating Tema to Aflao Road. Construction of Dodowa to Afenya Dowenya Road. Right Honorable Speaker, we will be upgrading the Oyibi to Apollonia Afenya Road. Right Honorable Speaker, we'll be constructing the Enchi to Elubo Road. We'll also be constructing the Dadieso to Akontombra Road. We'll be upgrading the Adabokrom to Adabokrom Road. And we will be upgrading the Enchi to Kojoru Penchi Road. And finally, Mr. Speaker, we'll be upgrading the Bediako Junction-Camp 15 to Sefi Adabokrom Road. Mr. Speaker, as part of the Big Push program, we have also selected the following abandoned road project for which no dedicated funding was allocated for by the previous administration to be included into the Big Push program. Mr. Speaker, the project are as follows. Upgrading of Kasua to Winneba Road. rehabilitation of Ofanko to Insawam Road, dual carriage. Right Honorable Speaker, dualization of Takrady to Agona Junction Road. Mr. Speaker, the construction of Swami Interchange and local roads. Mr. Speaker, we'll also be constructing the National Route 18 from Wa to Han Road. And we'll be upgrading the Tumu to Chichiliga to Navrongo, including the construction of 36 meter span reinforced concrete over the Kenyibi River and 24 meter span reinforced concrete over the Bichirunu River. Right Honorable Speaker, we will be reconstructing the Navrongo to Sandema Road. Mr. Speaker, we will be rehabilitating the Tepa to Gosu Road, rehabilitating the Hohoi to Jasikan Road, and we will be rehabilitating Nkwanta to Oti Damanko Road. We will be reconstructing the Have to Hohoi Road, and we will dualize the Adenta Dodowa Road. And Mr. Speaker, to conclude, we will reconstruct the Jenejene to Sampa Road.
Eno atofosing wabroku PM wa parliament na odi mid-year budget na Ghana for bebe na etwen ye penwoma ewumu no abusua ebi biara pemu asem atie sabre de roads aise mechemu akwan ena sabre ye ho video na ye da ho adi ne pa ho ntoma dia chewo se da bi sabre the good people of Sefi when it comes to cocoa roads sabre nanka Sabri de nenke wose Sefi enenke we say kadia nka ye best road de nka Sabri nka Sefi ene wose nka omo say timi kan ye best road in the country but due to enyemanema bi just say yakwan no style bi yes just say Sabri de wohwemu a obetima nya Sefi nkro no bi abo just say very amazing and good news Sabri de enye fedi agro wose mamemfa Sefi de no to dwama just say Enchi to Elubo Road na busuya His Excellency any Minister of Finance and then Minister of Road able to just say omobetimi aye and afi construction of Dadieso to Akontombra Road and also omobetimi upgrading of Ajufwa to Osekodwukrom sa kwan wa faso da na medwen ho ya na mente ase if you say from benchama nyina kwan ya tale so nyina mane bepem krobi wo ansa na wadu Ajufwa no ye abepem but middle na kakra and busy road obusuan Sabri road no emu bai na emom enye kra enye nsuo to na drives nsuo na tatai Sabri de media budget no din atimi abepium and upgrading of Bediako Junction to Camp 15 to Adabokrom Road oma say hwe enye say like the way they made the thing it makes it look like Charlie because from a meme but when you are passing or when you are branching from a Bediako to Kasapin to Camp Junction to Adabokrom Road no it has been the burden of the people for a very long time, and then when the good people of Camp Junction heard this news they feel like, oh wow, this is really good, and the good people of Kasapin too, they are going to enjoy because I think when it comes to the development Sefi it's not getting the attention that they need. When it comes to development, they are not getting their share. But Sequano is good. I think the people will find a way to manage and live the life that they want to live. So His Excellency doing this, the good people of Sefi, and then the people who is constructing the road for, they will remember him forever. And this is good news. Camp 15 to Sefi Adabokrom Road no. Sabre the ABP mid-year budget no more enye fedi agro. So shout outs to those who made this thing possible. That is the Member of Parliament, Honorable Richard Champion, and the second majority chiefship in the 9th Parliament also play a major role today's media budget Sabri the Anijaba we biara eboajisono. So shout outs to Honorable and shout outs to those people who also did their possible best to make sure this thing happened, and we are waiting for His Excellency the things to commence into we doesn't politicize anything. When it comes and it's good for the people, we are going to say it. When it's bad for the people, we are also going to criticize it. And that is how we work. Hi, come to this. If it is your first time, kindly join us, and don't forget to share this video to your friends and your loved ones to get to know the good works of the good works of His Excellency, because he's doing a massive job and we need to say it. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar, your favorite and your youngest content creator, and I'm finally out.